Ready to take control of your health with a powerful diabetes-friendly workout plan? Let's get moving. This weekly schedule is designed to help you manage blood sugar, build strength, and feel amazing. Remember, the goal is at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, plus 2 strength sessions. Let's break it down. We kick off the week on Monday with a brisk walk and core work. Head out for a 25-minute brisk walk or a light jog. The goal is to get your heart rate up. When you get back, spend 15 minutes strengthening your core. Think planks, crunches, leg lifts, and Russian twists. A strong core is the foundation for everything. Tuesday is all about upper body strength. We're going to do push-ups, rows, shoulder presses, tricep dips, and bicep curls. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. You can use your body weight, or if you have them, grab some resistance bands or light weights to increase the challenge. Building muscle helps your body use insulin more effectively. Wednesday is our active recovery day. This is crucial for letting your muscles repair and preventing burnout. Choose something gentle like yoga, some deep stretching, or a relaxed 30-minute walk. The focus here is on stress relief and improving your joint mobility. Listen to your body and give it what it needs. Get ready to sweat on Thursday with a high-intensity interval training, or HIIT cardio session. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Here's how it works. Go fast for 30 seconds, sprint, jump rope, whatever you like, and then slow down for a 1-minute walk or light jog to recover. Repeat this cycle 8 to 10 times. HIIT is fantastic for improving heart health and insulin sensitivity in a short amount of time. Always finish with a good cool down and stretching. Friday, we're targeting the lower body. These are your biggest muscle groups, and working them gives you a huge metabolic boost. We'll do squats, lunges, glute bridges, and calf raises. You can also add bodyweight deadlifts or use dumbbells for extra resistance. Just like Tuesday, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Saturday is your fun day. Choose an activity that you genuinely enjoy. It could be a long nature walk, a hike on a new trail, a bike ride with family, or even just turning up the music and having a dance session in your living room. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of joyful movement. When exercise feels like play, you're more likely to stick with it. Finally, Sunday is for rest. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild. You can take a complete rest day or opt for some very gentle movement, like deep stretching or a restorative yoga session. This is about honoring your body's need for rest. Now, for some bonus habits to incorporate every day. Try to take a 10 to 15-minute walk after your meals. This simple habit works wonders for stabilizing post-meal blood sugar levels. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and skip those sugary drinks. And finally, take 5 to 10 minutes for yourself to practice deep breathing or mindfulness. Managing stress is just as important as managing your diet and exercise. And that's your complete weekly plan. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Consistency is key, so find what works for you and make it a habit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.